Hello students and families. Welcome to AVID. I'm your AVID teacher, Mr. Casil. The purpose of the video is to help illustrate a little bit about what the course is going to look like, what the structure is going to be, and help make it a little bit easier to navigate so there's one less barrier to doing this whole remote learning thing until we're able to get back together in person. And so let's start with the class structure. What we're looking at right now is the Home tab, but it's also the Modules tab. So when you click on Modules, it takes you right back to Home. And so, since they're identical, what you're looking at is a series of modules organized by week. So every week we'll have a new module, and within that module will be everything you need to do, see, learn, engage with for that week. And so often what you'll see is a series of videos that will talk about some of the learning content for that week or the directions for that week. Currently, we've started doing note checks once a week and tutorials once a week. And based off of the feedback from the students, we're doing the same tutorial from last week, this week as well, as we learn and start to master the skills we need for that college readiness piece. We will be engaging with other projects and other topics and other pieces as well as we go on through the year, but that's going to be some of the key pieces that you'll need to know is all the assignments will be located in the module along with any of the videos and other instructional tools that you'll need. Now, with that being said, a common question is, where can you find the synchronous Google Meet link? And based off the feedback from the students, the most sensible place to put that is in the module. Rather than having to look at other places and explore other avenues, it all makes sense to have it all in one place. And so any links that we have to the synchronous sessions during the week will be in the module itself with the date and the time that we're meeting. And so a student just needs to click this and it will take them to the Google Meet immediately and directly. So with that being said, since it is within the module, you're not going to receive any email updates or notifications that way. But since it is all in one place, I hope that's going to be able to compensate and make it actually easier for you guys to be able to know and navigate when and where you'll be able to access this class. So I hope that answers a few of your questions. I'm sure there's plenty more. Don't hesitate to email me if you have any other questions or concerns. I'm more than glad to help. The last piece that I want to be able to point out is if you haven't already, I highly encourage you to be an observer. And so for you who are guardians or parents or family members, if you haven't already become an observer, that lets you see what your student sees, lets you see what they've turned in. It lets you see what they haven't turned in. It lets you follow them in real time so you can support them and engage with the class as well. And so if you haven't done that yet, please do. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I look forward to working with you for the rest of this year. Take care.